Namaskar and welcome. You're watching The Awaz and I'm Janvi Parikh with you. Let's have a look on today's Uttarakhand News Bulletin. Big statement of BJP leader Anil Baluni. All Congress leaders are in contact to join BJP. Rajya Sabha member and BJP's national media in charge Anil Baluni has targeted senior Congress leader Harish Rawat for his statement of giving the state a scheduled caste chief minister. He said that Harish Rawat had an opportunity to be made Chief Minister of Scheduled Castes in Uttarakhand in 2012, but Harish Rawat staged a dharna in Delhi to become the Chief Minister for himself. Taking a jibe at Harish Rawat, Baluni said that he has never worked for the interest of scheduled caste. Harish Rawat has his eyes somewhere and his target somewhere else. Not only this, he has also given a big statement about Congress leaders joining BJP. Baluni says that except the leaders around Harish Rawat and Harish Rawat himself, all Congress leaders are contacting to join BJP. Baluni said that now a board is also being put up in the BJP to be house full. So many leaders are in touch to join the BJP. Car fell into a deep gorge on Gangotri Highway, 1 dead, 3 injured. A car going from Bhatwadi to Harshil Gangotri on Gangotri Highway fell into a deep gorge uncontrollably. 1 person died while 3 others were injured in the accident between Dabrani and Gangnani. After receiving the information of the incident, the police and SDRF team reached on the spot and rescued the dead and injured. The injured have been admitted to the district hospital after giving first aid at CHC Bhatwadi. According to the information received, at 9:30 p.m. on Thursday night, a car from Harshil was going towards Gangotri, which fell uncontrollably into a 100-meter deep gorge between Dabrani and Gangnani. Harsh Mishra, resident of Auraiya, Uttar Pradesh, died on the spot in the accident, while Ritesh alias Anshul, Ramesh Singh and Vishal Kushwaha, all residents of Auraiya, Uttar Pradesh, were injured. The movement of devotees started increasing on Chardham Yatra. Now, the movement of devotees has started increasing regarding Uttarakhand Chardham Yatra, due to which the light is returning to the faces of the businessmen associated with the journey. Rain has stopped in Yamunotri Valley since Friday morning. Passengers are being sent following the process of SOP near Jhanki Chatti police station, the last major stop of Dham. Due to the increase in the movement of devotees for the last 2 days, the faces of the people associated with the yatra are slowly returning to their glory. The figure of 400 passengers was completed in Yamunotri Dham at 12 noon on Friday. Many passengers pleaded with the police administration to go to Yamunotri. At the same time, many expressed their displeasure at the government decree limiting the number of 400 passengers. Dehradun police station recovered 200 stolen smartphones worth Rs 30 lakh. In the capital, Dehradun police recovered 200 smartphones worth about 30 lakh rupees while investigating the complaints of lost mobile registered in Vikas Nagar, Shahaspura, Selakhui, Kalsi police stations. On Friday, the mobiles were returned to the owners under the supervision of SP. SP Sarita Dowal said that the mobile recovery cells have been formed in the city and countryside for the recovery of lost mobiles in the district. Through surveillance on behalf of SOG countryside for recovery of lost mobiles under the supervision of Superintendent of Police Rural and CO Vikas Nagar in rural area, total 200 smartphones lost from the states like Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, etc. recovered were done. The recovered mobile phones were handed over to the owners. Snowfall on the higher peaks in the early hours of Friday after rain in Badrinath. Now the feeling of cold in the morning and evening is coming in the capital of Uttarakhand, Dehradun. The weather has become pleasant these days. The hide and seek of sunshine and clouds are also visible every day. On Friday it was cloudy in Dehradun. After rain in Badrinath, there was snowfall on higher peaks in the early hours of Friday. There has been snowfall in Neelkant, Urvashi, Nar Narayan and Mana mountain peaks, due to which it is now getting cold in Badrinath. There has also been snowfall on Bandarpooch, Sapta Rishi Kund, Kalimdi top above Yamunotri Dham. Badrinath highway was closed between Selang and Joshimath due to debris, which was later opened. Rain continues in Uttarkashi district. Yamunotri highway has been blocked due to landslides near Kalyani. Traffic is smooth on Gangotri highway. Thank you. Keep watching the Awaaz for the latest updates of Uttarakhand.
Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.